Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a focal point in your embossed card with the Timeless Arrangements bundle. Here is my Timeless Arrangements card using a embossing folder and creating a focal point by cutting out the middle with the die and then coloring it. So I started with a painted texture embossed piece of 4 by 5 1/4. This is the Timeless Arrangements stamp set and dies. And what I love about this is not only do you have these fun labels, but then all of the dies have this rectangular piece that allow you to more easily adhere them to the labels. And so this is a really cool concept for even more coordination between the stamp set and the dies. And then I also used the painted texture embossing folder for this piece. I embossed it first, and then I used the Nested Essentials dies, this large banner die, to cut out the middle. And so now I'm going to just remove the middle and put these aside. I'm going to grab some scrap paper, and I'm just going to color this with Pebbled Path and Moody Mauve, which are new in colors, and Boho Blue. So I'm going to start with the lightest color, the Moody Mauve. So I'm just going to ink this blending brush up a little bit and then just rub off a little bit. And then I'm just going to start inking the top of this. And then I want it a little bit darker. So I'll just go back over the top. And I want it to kind of be an ombre, so darker at the top and lighter in the middle. I'll just put this ink away so I don't accidentally use it. And then we'll do Boho Blue. And this is going to go in the middle. And I'll just keep going until I get it as dark as I want. And I'll go up into the Moody Mauve to blend in there and down a little bit. So I'll move that one aside. And then I have my Pebbled Path. Okay. And then I'm just going to do that one on the bottom. And so you can get this fun colored ombre look that's really going to create a really fun focal point for your card. And it's going to be cool because it's going to look like it's all one piece, except the middle is raised and colored. So now I am going to stamp the sentiment, "Your kindness means everything to me," on the medium label. And I've already cut out all the elements that I want to use, stamped and die cut. So the main image is going to be this piece of Moody Mauve right here. And I'm just going to use some liquid glue to adhere all of these on. So I'm just going to put some liquid glue on the bottoms of all of these elements here. And that is my focal point embossing folder Timeless Arrangements card. If you'd like to receive my Timeless Arrangements card class, you can place an order, a $50 order, using my current host code, and just email me and let me know that you would like this class, and I will send it right out to you.